are here at a residential home. You can see the cleaning agent here just really brightening up this area. We put down a special pre-treat, little secret sauce that it do what it does. These machines that groom everything, all the soil to the surface. And then we're actually using a powerful portable with a real nice cleaning agent that really makes the color in your carpet and upholstery very pop. The colors you can see here, this isn't even that bad shape. It's not really that old of a carpet, but you can see the colors just coming back as we're cleaning it and deodorizing it. So this is, I don't have it before, but this is after. Again, we're using a powerful portable unit because it was almost 350 feet, so we didn't have enough hose. So we have portables do a great job when you know what you're doing. You can see that coming out real nice right there, right there, coming out nice. See the color popping. So any of your residential or commercial carpet cleaning, hard or soft surface needs, please check us out at www.navescleaning.com. Here's one of our powerful